PR natin na department.
Ay, marami na palang po.
Yeah. Oo.
Sparkle GMA Artist Center secures another highly anticipated partnership with one of the network's most iconic stars. Now, as we all know, Katrina Halili is a powerhouse name in the industry as she has achieved so much throughout the years. Today is extra special as she cements her bond with her home network and management. But before we officially start this contract signing event, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our esteemed GMA and Sparkle executives. Starting off with GMA Network's Senior Vice President for Programming, Talent Management, Legal, Human Resources Development, and Worldwide Group, Ms. Annette Bozan Valdez. We also have Sparkle GMA Artist Center's first Vice President, Ms. Joy Marcelo. We got GMA Network's Vice President for Corporate Affairs and Communications, Ms. Angel Javier Cruz. And of course, we have Sparkle GMA Artist Center's Assistant Vice President for Talent Recruitment and Development, Ms. Jenny Donato. We would also like to welcome all GMA Entertainment and Sparkle officers present this morning. Thank you all so much for joining us. Now, for those posting and sharing their photos and videos online, please don't forget to tag us on our official Sparkle pages as we would love to see them. Now, taking the spotlight this afternoon is an iconic Primera Contrabida actress who brought life into phenomenal characters such as Senora Angelica Santibanez in Marimar, Serpina in Darna, Lilian Madrial in Prima Donnas, and many more. This year, she bagged the Best Supporting Actress Award at the Emirates Film Festival for her role in the 2023 film, Avenida. She's been with the network since 2003 and was an alumna of the GMA Reality Talent Search show Starstruck. And through the years, she has proven to every single one that she is a proud Kapuso. It is my absolute honor to call onto the stage for her contract signing with Sparkle GMA Artist Center, the beautiful and glowing Miss Katrina Halili. Thank you so much. Now today, Miss Katrina will finally seal the deal and sign with GMA's talent management arm as its official artist. Now, joining Katrina in today's signing are GMA Network Senior Vice President, Attorney Annette Bozan Valdez, and Sparkle's GMA Artist Center's first Vice President, Ms. Joy Marcelo. Are we ready? Okay, hands up everyone for a quick photo, and then you may now start signing. Alright, now to officially welcome Katrina to the growing family of Sparkle, we have actually prepared a quick video for you. Everyone, let's watch this.
Katrina Halili, known as the Primera Contrabida.
For your information, wala akong inaabot na teritoryo. You can have this for all I care.
Gaano ba kahalaga na makita mo si Sergio? Kaya mo bang lumukad? Pag makaawa at halika ng mga pako.
Since her debut on the first season of Starstruck in 2003, she has been a captivating presence, especially in roles that cast her as the woman everyone loves to hate.
Obvious ba? Siguro doon lang talaga ako kamahal ni Nando dahil maganda, sexy, at hindi ako baril agad.
Well, she has recently taken on roles that cast her in a positive light.
Wala akong pakiramdam. Ayaw kong kumain. Ayaw kitang kausap. Ayaw kitang maramdaman. Ayaw ko na may nakadikit o maaligid sa akin.
Ang nakasama ko ng ebidensya ko, sigurado akong sira lahat ng atraksyon mo, pagkatao mo, at lahat ng plano.
Katrina is the type to never back down from a challenge.
Nung dinidiscuss ha? Mag-martial arts? Ha? Ano ka, magmamador? Marunong ko, pero scooter.
In Black Rider, she plays the assassin Ramona, who will stop at nothing to be with her son again.
Kung ako lang talaga mga susunod, pinatay ko na silang lahat. Pagkatapos ng ginawa niya sa akin. Pero habang isip niya naman, may gagawin ko para makuha ko ng buhay.
Can't get enough of Katrina Halili.
Another video that was prepared by some of your friends at Sparkle. Let's see what they have to say about you.
Hello, Kat. Welcome sa Sparkle Jeremy Artist Family. Yan at gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na sobrang saya ko dahil kasama kita ngayon sa Mami Rest. At ikaw pa yung partner ko. At alam ko, sigurado ko, hindi ka pa ako ngayon ng Sparkle dahil napaka-pusay mong artista at napaka-professional mong artista. Yan, God bless sa iyo and more power sa iyo, Kat.
Hello, Kat! Congratulations on another milestone. Na-miss kita katrabaho, in fairness to you. Sobrang happy ako sa lahat ng mga blessings na patuloy na dumarating sa'yo. And I hope to work with you soon. Congratulations again! Miss you!
First, congratulations for being a part of the Sparkle family. At sobrang happy ako na magkatrabaho tayo ulit after many years ago nung nagkasama tayo sa ganda ng lola ko sa GMTV. At ngayon, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng chance na magka-work ulit. Pero this time, drama naman. So, I'm so blessed to be working with you again, Mars. And enjoy ako sa mga kainan natin on the side at sa pag-jujeta din natin together. So, happy for you, Mars. And I pray that you'll have more projects to come in the future. At syempre, ang success also ng Mommy BS. Congrats, Mars!
Magandang araw po. Buong puso po namin welcome ang isang daw po mahusay na actress na hindi matatawaran ang kanyang husay na pinamalas na lahat po ng mga teleserye kanyang ginawa. Lalo-lalo na po dito po sa Black Rider kung saan gumanap po siya bilang sinumana. Kaya naman, welcome sa Sparkle Family, Miss Katrina Halili. Kami ay lubusang masaya na nakasama ka namin dito sa pamilyang ito. At yun, hindi na rin ang mapaghintay na mga kumuli. Mag-iingat ka lagi. And congratulations at good luck sa bagong ito.
I love that. What a wonderful and heartfelt video. From all of your friends at Sparkle, we can truly see that Katrina is definitely loved by everyone at Sparkle. And now this gathering definitely would not be complete without hearing a few words from our special GMA executive. So for her welcoming remarks, let's call on the Senior Vice President of Sparkle, Attorney Annette Gozan-Valdez.
Kasi welcome to Sparkle, Katrina. And alam mo naman na from the start, you have been such a big part of the GMA family. We've seen you grow. Favorite ko talaga yung role mo sa Marimar, yung kinakain ka sa crocodile, sa buhaya. Pero nakita natin yung growth mo because you have been able to transition into leader roles, mother roles. Parang lahat kaya mo. We've seen your versatility and your audience appeal. And we're very happy that you have shared your talents with GMA. So, in the future, sana ay mas marami pang mga magagandang proyekto yung magawa natin together.
Thank you so much for those lovely words, Attorney Annette. And of course, we would also like to hear from Sparkle's first Vice President, Ms. Joy Marcelo.
Kakanta ulit ako. Katrina, so dapat yata hindi ikaw yung kinakongratulate, but kami in Sparkle because we have you with us. I mean, andito ka na sa family namin, so dapat kami yung kinakongratulate. We are very happy to have you. Tas ako, as a matter of fact, ako, matagal na akong fan ni Katrina. Ever since I was in Wish ko lang, ako po yung program manager noon. I remember doing a feature on you. Tas ever since, I've been an admirer of you and your work. So, we are very happy to have you, and like what Ms. Annette said, sana marami pa tayong projects na gawin this year and in the next years. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Miss Joy. Now, I'm sure you were all touched with the very sweet and heartfelt messages from both Miss Annette and Miss Joy. But now it is time to hear from our newest Sparkle star. Everybody, let's give it up for the wonderful and beautiful Miss Katrina Halila.
Good afternoon po, Miss Annette, thank you. Miss Joy, syempre sa Sparkle po, thank you sa pagtanggap niyo po ulit sa akin. Dati pa naman po, RT Center na ako. Prodigal daughter ata ako. Bumabalik. So, ayun, thank you po na nung lumapit po ako sa Sparkle, talagang sobrang open po sila and nakakatuwa kasi nagkaroon ako ng family ulit. Diba po? Syempre, alam naman po natin na makakatulong din yung Sparkle sa akin sa career ko, di pa nila pababayaan. And alam ko naman po paano po sila mag-alaga before. And sobrang thank you po, sa warm welcome po, sa oras nyo, sa ganitong press con po na binigay nyo pa. Nagulat po kanina, dami tao. So, yun, thank you po. I feel special po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Katrina. We're so delighted to have you as part of our growing family here at Sparkle. And now, to commemorate this wonderful event, let's have a quick photo op.
One more.
So, free lang siya.
Lovely. Okay.
Ay! Nasa likod, hindi ko gumano. Sabi ko, ako yung center yung executive. Executive. Ano? Alipat-lipat ng camera, gano'n. Na-excite po ako syempre kung ano pa yung mga balik pang gawin, di ba? Tapos happy ako na yun nga, tinanggap po ako ng Sparkle as partner para mag-handle ng ng career. Happy ako, hindi ako pinapabayaan ng GMA, ng network. And ever since naman, nag-start ako sa GMA, hindi naman ako nawala. So yun, nagpa-manage na ako sa Sparkle. Yung dito, bakit ba? Sa last time pinarinig niya, dapat Tuesday daw, nandito siya.
Kasi naman pinupost ng mga ka-work mo na mahilig magpakain. Di ba, Mike? Kaya nakikita namin. Actually, hindi mo mag-send na.